Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Goodnotes. Let's dive into their core functionalities. Notion excels as an all-in-one workspace, perfect for organizing notes, managing projects, and collaborating with teams. It offers incredible flexibility for databases, wikis, and task lists. Goodnotes, on the other hand, is specifically designed for digital handwriting, PDF annotation, and sketching, providing a natural pen-on-paper feel. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize structured information management or a fluid handwriting experience. Notion's strength lies in its incredible feature set and adaptability. You can create custom databases, track projects with Kanban boards, and manage your schedule with integrated calendars. It supports embedding a wide range of media, making your pages dynamic and informative. Collaboration is seamless, allowing multiple users to work on the same page simultaneously. With thousands of community-made templates, you can quickly set up almost any system you need, from a personal journal to a complex CRM. Goodnotes shines in its specialized approach to digital note-taking. Its realistic ink engine offers a superb handwriting experience, feeling very much like writing on paper. You can annotate PDFs extensively, adding highlights, drawings, and typed text with ease. Smart features like shape recognition and the lasso tool enhance productivity. All your handwritten notes are searchable, a huge advantage for students and professionals. You can organize everything into custom notebooks, making it a powerful tool for document management. When deciding between Notion and Goodnotes, consider your primary use case. Notion is the go-to for comprehensive project management, building team wikis, and creating a centralized hub for all your digital information. It's perfect for those who thrive on structured data and collaboration. Goodnotes, conversely, is unparalleled for students taking lecture notes, artists sketching ideas, or professionals annotating documents. If a natural, fluid handwriting experience and robust PDF markup are your top priorities, Goodnotes is the clear winner.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.